More breaking news by information coming in, and this is with regard to Delhi government's decision to reopen schools and colleges from tomorrow. Now, Delhi government has issued guidelines for reopening of educational institutes. The schedule of schools and colleges to be staggered, maximum 50% students per classroom allowed, and the guidelines suggest that even lunch breaks in Delhi schools should be staggered. So this is the latest. If we just take you through some of the guidelines which have been decided, the schools should prepare timetable as per occupancy. Maximum 50% students allowed per classroom. That is not just meant for schools but also for colleges. Lunch breaks in Delhi schools should be staggered, and class for schools and colleges should also be staggered. Those are some of the guidelines which have been issued by the Delhi government now with regard to reopening of educational institutes in the city. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman. Ayushman, there are still some concerns with regard to taking this step. Delhi, of course, the numbers have come down recently in terms of COVID figures, but the fact that the government now there has decided to reopen educational institutes, they are taking a lot of caution before going ahead with it.
Yes, Tanima, in fact, the DDMA has now released those guidelines which are important to follow when the schools open up. The schools are going to open up in the national capital in the upper age category of 9 to 12th. Here, the focus has been, Tanima, on not allowing the students gather is somewhere the motive. The staggered timing of lunch, and also in library, also at the entry and exit gate, the students should not stagger. Students should not gather there, and anyone who is coming from the containment zone will not be allowed. The school talks about ventilated classrooms. All the COVID appropriate behavior which we normally talk about is to be followed strictly. If any student is not feeling well, there should be a quarantine room separately made by the principal of that school. We have been told that lunch break may also be staggered to avoid crowding, and the schedule of schools and colleges may be staggered in order to avoid the gathering. Maximum 50% of the students is what is currently being told, that it is the 50% students should be called upon to maintain proper social distancing that is there in these schools. Also, the routine guest visits which you normally see in schools is not allowed. So 50% is the occupancy at which the school will operate. Also, the crowding, which has been most talked about subject, is something that is being contemplated, and all the exit and entry gates will only be permitted for all those students who are asymptomatic, who are not having high fever. Thermal checking will be done. We are in fact at a school only, Tanima, where that the entry gate only they will be checking. If a student doesn't have fever, only then they will be allowed. Anybody who is not feeling well, the parents have been advised not to send them to these schools.
Right, we'll of course have to see. It's from September 1st that Delhi schools and colleges are reopening. Before that, all these guidelines now going out to the school and college authorities to be followed in order to ensure that COVID protocols are maintained. Thanks so much, Ayushman, for joining us with that.